master data, we did the transaction data, we did the execution, and we starting from the material master to up to the sales order, we took it of that particular cycle. Chandra, is that right, Chandra?
Yeah. A question here.
Yeah, Chandra, please. Yeah.
Here, like sort of, when you create material MM01, they're like mechanical and finished product, right? I'm not seeing that one. What you do, you showed me once here, like
just 1 second, Chandra. Your question is that I'm coming to that one.
Yeah.
I understood your question. Just give me a minute. I'm coming to exactly answering to your question.
Okay.
In the material master setting, Chandra, this is the SPRO, I mean SPRO, Logistic General, Material Master, then configuration of the Material Master, maintain user settings. As of now, this is our screen, Chandra, for ready.
Yeah, that's correct.
For this particular user, you are having the screen like this. Let me change this screen. You are saying which is not appearing?
Like industry sector mechanical, like MECH, finished product is XERT, right?
This is disabled or this is disabled? Industry sector is disabled.
Yeah, can you click it? I can show you.
Yeah, I'll just make it 1 second. Just give me a minute so that I'll change it to our ID. Then we can do some changes. So that I understood your question. That's, once you are aware of this one, that's more than enough. I created specific user with specific user ID ready and industry sector M by default, Chandra. That means whenever I am creating it, now this is the material master for ready, right? With the user ID ready. Okay. Suppose now after this change, for example, let me save this transaction. Okay. Go back. Now, if I go same transaction with MM01, by default I got it ready, mechanical engineering for the user ID ready, right? It is because the transaction which we set for the user, for this user setting is, one is mechanical engineering, sorry, for ready. Position, user name, ready. One more setting, wait Chandra, up to here is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me hide this industry sector, then save for ready. Now I am coming again for this is what the screen that you are seeing, Chandra, I hope.
No, not this one. Like general, like
your industry sector is disabled now.
Oh, that is disabled.
This is what you told me.
No. Like mechanical, you see MECH starting with MECH, then hyphen mechanical, then finished product, FERT hyphen finished product, right? I'm not saying FERT. So like.
Okay. 1 second. Now I thought such that industry sector is not visual. You are not able to see that industry sector while creating the material. You mean to say this one?
Yeah, this like you see like alphabets.
PLG, MOD.
And those I'm not seeing. How you set them?
Yeah. This one. Go to options.
I went to the options. Okay.
No problem. You come to the options, please.
I did.
Okay, and in the expert, in some of the cases it will be expert, some of the cases visualization. After this expert, there is one more column called as say.
Oh, I was selecting options, not expert. Okay. Options.
Go to the expert. Show the keys. Show keys in all drop. Suppose for example, if I disable this one, Chandra, currently we are able to see this, right?
Yeah.
Let me disable this for this particular user ID. You are not able to see that, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Once again, I'm enabling. Please take a look at it. Go to options, click on expert. Is expert tab is there in your options?
I don't think so.
Yeah, no problem. Absolutely.
Can you give me 1 minute? I will check.
Yes, sure. If I can see your screen, of course, I'm not sure whether you can able to share.
That's fine. That's fine. I can take care of it. That password is not working for that one. Okay. So expert, then select the show keys, right?
Is expert is there in your tab? Just check it out.
I don't think so.
If expert is not there, then in the trace or something like that, you will have an option on controls, show the keys, or I will do one thing. Suppose the list it may not be exactly it will be in different form, Chandra, but there also we will have an option to click this show all drop down list. I'll do one thing, Chandra. You try with this option whether the expert tab is there or not. I'm not sure you are this one. If not, there is one more option in the options also. There is the subtabs are different for the different users. But I will take a screenshot and send it to Danny to pass it to you, so that you can take it up. That one.
Okay. And also display the transaction codes. What you do?
Yeah. So this is sorry. This part is clear to you, Chandra. If expert is there, click on to this expert. It will solve your problem of basically this drop down list whether to come or not to come. This is nothing but your drop down list with this one.
Yeah.
I go for mechanical engineering. The moment I say drop down list, it is gives for all the drop down list with the respective title basically.
Yeah.
And regarding to the transaction codes, go to and industry sector. This point also, Chandra, be aware of. Sometimes, for a particular user. Anyhow, I thought so that this is your question. For a particular user, industry sector is not visible.
Okay.
I can hide that industry sector.
For
example, for our, let me explain. I'll come to that one. You asked me the question regarding to the transaction code because we have the same concept. I'm explaining this point also. Just take a look at it. Suppose, for example, our user is equal to Reddy, right? I want to hide this industry sector. The moment I say hide industry sector with save, then you are not able to see this industry sector in the front end of it. For example, I'll go to the transaction /NNM01. There is no industry sector for the user ID Reddy. Because you have set the user parameters to hide this industry sector for a particular user, right? Able to see this, able to visualize this difference, Chandra?
Yeah, but if you hide, how can you figure out? We need to
understand. Yeah. Generally, suppose for example, by default, they want to make it as a once forever mechanical as it is.
Okay.
Is that right?
There is no need to display, yeah.
Yes. Because I made it as a default M and then I need not to enter again once again specifically.
Okay.
If I don't hide it, even without my setting also, it is coming with mechanical engineering only for the user ID Reddy, for example. By default, it is taking it up mechanical engineering, right?
But we can change it. Yeah.
Yeah, we can change it. You have the option of changing here. The moment you hide it, it won't appear even.
Okay.
So just because I thought that you are getting this. Sometimes people know because of that user, okay, I'm not able to see this industry sector where the setting has been. Sector and hide the industry sector. This is the default industry sector. The moment I delete this, you will get a blank industry sector. Of course, this is very simple.
Yeah, I'm clear.
You don't have any industry sector, right, Chandra?
Yeah.
Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. So coming to the next question. Okay, this is okay, no problem. Even if it is there, it's not an issue. Coming to the next question of Satuta, how can set to the technical names whenever we will go for transaction? Favorites, extras.
For technical settings.
Display technical names. This is the checkbox, Chandra.
Okay.
The moment I disable this, I am just disabling, Chandra. It's a simple front end setting only. That particular user, Chandra. Now, if I go for transactions, you won't see this transaction code, for example.
Yeah.
Material management, purchasing, master data, material master. You are not able to see this transaction code, right, Chandra?
Yeah.
Because in the settings, I disabled the display transaction code, right?
Yeah.
The moment I activate this, then once again it will get activated. You see this, logistics, material management, purchasing, purchase order, all these transaction codes are coming. Right, Chandra? This is what you need to ask.
Yeah.
This is simple. That is basically the settings. In the settings, we have an option of display technical name. Do not display picture is basically here this picture. Suppose for example, it's blank, right? The moment I say display picture, it will give this picture basically. Able to see this difference, Chandra?
Yeah.
Excellent. Display the favorites at the end of the list, for example.
Okay.
At the end of the list, then it will come down. That's nothing great as such.
Okay.
Got it, Chandra?
Yeah.
Favorites is at the down and SAP menu is at the top.
Yeah.
If I don't set, automatically by default it will go to the top.
Okay.
Clear, Chandra?
Yeah, very clear.
Can I go for our repetitive topic?
Yeah.
It is basically the material master settings, Chandra. That one hide industry sector, that part is basic purely from the material master setting.
Yeah.
And of course the specific user settings in the sense. Coming to our point of our production, coming to repetitive manufacturing. Okay. Cross setting function. It defines assign the number ranges. Number ranges one and the same. Number ranges for backlog orders, number ranges for here the important point is the repetitive manufacturing profile and of planning table, Chandra. Rest is of course many of the things we have been seen, number ranges. The concept of the number ranges is holds good for all the way. Everywhere it is the same only.
Yeah.
Changing interval or adding interval, that part of it, Chandra. It's nothing great. Define the storage location and the supply area determination and the bomb exclusion. Suppose we want to, for a component withdrawal, we want to mention specific storage location or storage location for a specific, for example, in the plant 1000. It's basically the default storage location, something like that. For components withdrawal, system will look for this particular MRP group say 0031. I want to maintain a default storage location. Yes, I can maintain it a default storage location by default. Only for components or only for assemblies, only for first components, something like that. You can refer the default from this particular. In the production supply areas, of course, one more point here. Storage location determination, the repetitive manufacturing. In the case of the repetitive manufacturing, say for the example 1000 and 0031. The same thing you can, if you want, you can set it up here for the components or for first components or for the different settings. If you want to maintain, you can maintain it. Either to only for components or only for assemblies or first components, second assemblies, first assemblies and second components, like that you can check it. From there, as a default, how it can access the components or assemblies. And in the control data, important thing, this is important point, better, we should have a better bit of control on this particular repetitive manufacturing profile. You remember, Chandra, when we created our material master, I'm going for MD04, our repeat manufacturing cycle, or M1 or something like that.
You have to set the field in, yeah, check the field, right?
This is our M23, right, Chandra?
Yeah.
In the master data, in the MRP4, MRP4 is mainly used for repeat manufacturing. Here, repeat manufacturing profile we have been assigned here, right?
Yeah.
This repetitive manufacturing profile which we have been assigned here is configured in the configuration in the repetitive manufacturing as a repetitive manufacturing profile component. See, we have been simply assigned here, but we didn't configure, the configuration part comes from here, from the control data, define repetitive manufacturing profile. This, both the things are basically for creating the repetitive manufacturing profile. Either you can create the repetitive manufacturing profile by step by using assistant, but rather than this, people prefer to go with through the wizard also you can make it, or you can copy it and then make your own repetitive manufacturing profile. This is simpler.
Just a question here.
Yeah, please.
So like 001 repetitive manufacturing, right?
Right.
I want to highlight it and copy it into new entry. What you do?
Just select this one, Chandra. Copy this. So by copying this, you are copying all the settings of 001.
Then change them.
I'm taking it as a 999. Allowed nameplate. Okay, no. That means we created a repetitive manufacturing profile with 0999, Chandra. Is that right?
Yeah, that is right. But my quick question. So suppose I have a plant. Within that plant, I have 20 storage locations, right?
Okay.
I want to copy those 20, highlight 20, and copy them. How can I do them? Copy and rename.
You want to go for creation of the storage location?
Yeah, just an example.
No problem. Just 1 second. It's not an issue.
Take one plant.
Just give me a minute. Yes, there is maintain storage locations is there one option, Chandra.
Yeah.
For the 1000 plant. Suppose I want to copy these storage locations and rename these storage locations. Either I can,
so like I want to highlight 5, 1 to 4. I want to copy and rename. You are just dragging, right? Okay, copy. Then change them to something like 00 CS. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Yeah.
Better give some description also for the new storage location, because otherwise, the earlier storage location description and this storage location should not get it confused.
Yeah.
So the moment I saved it, your all the storage locations 00C1, 00C2, 00C3 has to come back here. Chandra, is that right?
Yeah.
1 second, let us get process software. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It is there, Chandra. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
So just copy this and then select that and copy it and then rename it in your own way, Chandra. That's it.
Okay.
by default, Chandra, whenever you are copying your plant to plant, say, suppose for example, like I created a plant, say 9999, which I copied it from 1000 plants, say. Then whatever the storage locations that are there in the 1000 plants will automatically get copied to your 9999 plant, Chandra.
That is correct. The reason why I'm asking because I was practicing EWM.
Okay, what is that, Chandra? Could you please just come again?
EWM, Enterprise Extended Warehouse Management.
Oh, that's yeah, EWM, yeah, fine.
EWM I'm practicing, so I was stuck with this one. And also I was creating warehouse management, with, new warehouse. Then I was struggling with the transports like local and give your own name. When I gave that name, it is not there kind of. I struggled to find it and figured out.
Okay, no issues. That's good. Good. Of course, that you have really, really does not. It makes whomever talks to you, it makes it energetic so that we have to learn many more things. That's all. Really, you have a great patience and always learning the new things. EWM is really, of course, even if you have some idea on the EWM, Chandra, it's a hot cake in the market as of now. Very few consultants are there for the EWM.
Yeah, I have full documentation, but I can upload, but Dropbox is not letting me.
Yeah, no problem, Chandra.
Yeah, I have full documentation.
Yeah, that's because you are learning everything in the logistics side, extended where EWM, everything. Really great. So one day you will become the master of all these things. So this is how to actually organization structures. I didn't took it up for you. I'll take it up after the repetitive manufacturing is one class. Within one class, we'll create our own company code, everything that's structured.
Yeah.
So how to create a new, generally for the PP and the QM prospect, for the logistics for that matter, we want to touch the company code client parameters because that will be taken care of by FICO people in fact.
Yeah.
But be aware of how the FICO people are also creating and how the structure of priority structure, PVC, CC, I explained from there. Plan to validation, basically client to controlling area, company code, plan to validation area, storage location. This is the priority. It comes now.
What is a TV?
1 second, I'll pull it out our. Generally, I remember in this way, Chandra. It is CC, PVC. PVC is easy to remember. Before PVC, we have to put 2 more CC. This is this is for client. This is nothing but your client.
Okay, client, company code.
Okay. 1 C is for client. Okay. What about this C? This side is nothing but your
company code.
Then this P is for plant and B is for valuation area.
Valuation area.
This is rather than say it is this actually storage location. Above the plant, company code. Between the plant and there is one more C comes. This C is nothing but your controlling area.
Oh, it comes. Okay.
This part if you will remember above that there are 3 C's and below that this is PVS. If you will remember this, there won't be any confusion of controlling area and plant valuation area. Everything it will organize it automatically.
So we have to follow the sequence assignment. We have to
Yeah,
follow.
obviously plant should below the plant only will get the valuation area, and above the plant there is a company code. Company code, above the company code only controlling area. This we cannot interchange it. This the sequence is like this only. Highest is the client Chandra. Below the client you can have multiple. 1 second, Chandra. Just any of the content. Client Chandra.
Yeah.
Below that, a client can have multiple controlling areas.
Yeah.
And in one controlling area, you can have multiple company code. One controlling area can have multiple company code.
Yeah.
One company code can have multiple plants. Right?
Yeah.
One plant may have multiple storage locations. Storage locations, it can have multiple storage locations. Right, Chandra?
Yeah.
So this is how the sequence is. Sequence of priority is the client, controlling area, company code. Below the company code and the plant, there is a valuation area. The concept of this valuation area is valuations of the plant, each plant reports, right, Chandra? That means value, I explained this one, if I am not wrong, during the slide explanation. Hyderabad charge, manpower charges may be different from Delhi manpower charges, right?
That's correct.
Obviously, the Hyderabad plant valuation area differs from the Delhi plant valuation area, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, this valuation area is always 1-to-1 with respect to that particular plant, Chandra. And in turn, it is connected to the company code. And this company code is connected to your controlling area where all the books of account, chart of accounts, everything, accounting books are referred through your controlling area.
Yeah.
And
so where purchasing organization falls in between?
Purchasing organization generally either at the company code setup, Chandra. In general, normal practice is at the company code level. They will have one central purchasing organization which is operating at the company code level. In addition to that, they will have a plant specific purchasing organization even too, which is for the domestic purchases and all, which will be specifically exclusively used for this particular plant.
Okay.
Plant purchase, that is basically purchasing organization specific to the plant. One is the central purchasing organization and the other is the plant specific purchasing organization. Central purchasing organization will buy or look for the purchases which are common to all the plants, which is assigned at the company code level.
Okay.
But of course, even the plant one also is assigned to the company code level, but plant specific one is assigned only for plant and the company code, whereas the central purchasing is assigned to the company code.
Suppose we have like a company code level purchasing organization, plant level purchasing organization, right?
Yeah. Yes.
We don't need to link both of them, right? So
no, it has to get linked, Chandra. There is one setting is there.
Oh, even for parent purchasing organization? Okay.
Yes. Okay. It will be linked. Okay. 1 second. Here, first we define the purchasing organizations, Chandra. How many purchasing organizations that you want, you will define it here. Then after defining this purchasing organization, for example, I want to define 3 purchasing organizations. One is the central purchasing organization, which will take care of the central purchases, and P1 purchasing organization, which is
plant one. Yeah.
So for example, this is the central PO, which is taking care of the common purchases, and then plant specific which is equal to say plant specific PO. For example, it is P1. In terms of P1, let us our is Hyderabad specific say. Or similarly, I want to have one more plant specific which is taken care of by the plant. Here P2 say. P1 is exclusively focused for say Hyderabad. P2 exclusively focused say for Chennai. In this case, this is our scenario, Chandra. In this case, how will you configure in this is, first of all, you have to define all these three purchasing organizations as this is the purchasing organization. So, central purchasing organization, plant specific purchasing organization, and both the all the purchasing organizations will do. Somewhere I did one, yeah. This is central purchasing organization. No, it is not Santo, so it is not mine. It's somewhere I created. I created another purchasing organization. Just let me check. Okay, let me pull it out the same data. Or else, anyhow, we are going to take it up the purchasing. Let me explain to you. After defining here, in the assign, this is the definition part, Chandra.
Yeah.
After defining here, then you have to go for assignment, right?
Yeah.
In the assignment, in the logistics general, assign the company, assign the in the material management, you will assign the purchasing organization to the company code. That means here for all the purchasing organizations we are assigning to the company code. That means whomever has the purchasing organizations, that is your P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, everything will be assigned to your company code 1000. Or whichever is the company code for that matter. This is central PO. This PO, P1, P2, all are assigned to your company code, Chandra.
So all of them we need to assign to company code?
Yes, yes. As a linking, okay, I am coming to that one. Wait for a minute, Chandra. As a linking, we have to assign all the things to a company code. After that, assign the purchasing organization to the plant. Here, at the plant specific, for the plant Hyderabad, I will assign only the central and the Hyderabad plant, these two only. And for the plant Chennai, I will assign P2 and P0 only. This is what the significance of this one, Chandra. Now, is it clear to you?
Yeah.
I hope I made it a bit clear to you at this point of time.
Yeah.
When I am coming to the plant, even because they are all belong to the same company code. Anyhow, it is a plant specific or company code specific. They are all coming to under same company code, right, Chandra? Company code is at the very top level.
Yeah.
If I talk about
but my question is the first one, central PO, we don't need to assign it to plant, right?
Which one, Chandra? Central one?
Central one.
Central one, better to assign it to the plant level also, because the purpose of this central is it has to take care of the common purchases both to the plant 1 and plant P2, right, Chandra?
Oh, so linking them, okay.
Yeah, that's what I am coming to. Okay, I am the central purchasing organization which is sitting at Delhi. Okay, I am purchasing for Chennai. How the system knows that I am purchasing it for Chennai? Unless until my central purchasing organization is not connected to the Chennai?
Yeah, that's correct.
Are you able to follow me, Chandra?
Yeah.
Okay, I am buying some steel of 1000 ton. Okay, steel of 1000 ton I am buying it from Delhi, which is my central purchasing organization, which is taking care of both Hyderabad plant and Chennai plant. Then the case may be I can buy it for Chennai plant separately, I can buy it for Hyderabad plant. Whatever the purchases I bought it, I am purchasing it exclusively from central, but it account should be booked to plant, right?
Yeah.
So that is why my central purchasing organization is also assigned to company plant, Chandra.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is it clear to you now?
Yeah, clear.
So here we will assign the plant common and as well as the plant specific one. In the plant specific one, for say plant P1, if it is a Hyderabad plant, what I will assign is Hyderabad plant. For Hyderabad plant, my assignment is only P0 and P1. Whereas for Chennai plant, for Chennai plant, my assignment is P0 and P2. Sorry. Is it clear to you, Chandra, why I assigned P0 and P2, why I assigned P0 and P1 here?
Yeah.
Whereas at the company code level, I am assigning all P0, P1, P2, P3. Sorry, P1, P2.
Yeah.
Whereas coming to the plant, for the plant, I can have at most I can buy it from P0 or at most I can buy it from P1. I won't buy from P2 for P1. That's what the concept of this one.
That's correct. Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Assign the standard, here the standard purchasing organization by default purchasing organization. Suppose I didn't mention anything, which is the default one. Either you want to default by default to go to central or by default it will need to go to plant. Generally, we will give the plant specific one as a default purchasing organization. Is it clear to you, Chandra, now?
Yeah.
Of course, I'll take it up this organization structure in one class. So,
Yeah.
so that it will be clear, more clear for you. Starting from this structure, we will create our own structure of client to company code, all this stuff.
Yeah.
I'm coming back to our storage locations copy that I hope you are clear. If you want, you can create new storage locations just by clicking onto the new, Chandra. Just you can create the new entries, so the system will give it the blank storage location and then description. You can keep on reading it. That's it, nothing great.
Yeah, because no more details. So yeah.
Yeah, it is only the 4-digit numeric alphanumeric code that you have to give it, and then in that pattern you need to give it some description.
Yeah.
Coming to our but in real time, Chandra, for a functional, logistic people, we won't touch all this company code controlling area generally, Chandra.
Yeah.
Because that
But
will
the
be
thing is, what happens is like we get all these accounting related errors.
right?
So then that means we should we have to figure out, right?
Yeah. So you are totally filled into accounting also.
That's a big issue. Like we always get those controlling area, not all those issues.
Right. Actually, that is really Siva is it is a key somewhere, Chandra, because all the every company will look for money and how it is been maintained, everything. So that is altogether is a big subject as such. Unless until we don't know some of the basics of accounting, then I feel some are hesitating to talk about controlling.
That's correct.
Because we don't know, rather than I don't know anything about the accounting as such. So first I want to become something at least on the logistics part. I can manage MM, I can manage PM, I can manage PP and PM to some extent. But still I have to learn the SG such that at least I will cover each of the logistic models thoroughly.
Yeah.
Coming to our repetitive manufacturing control data. So you can create the repetitive manufacturing profile either by wizard or by copying this, Chandra. Is it clear to you now how to copy the existing?
Yeah, wizard, can you please explain one more time?
Yeah, wizard is basically step by step. We have to go in this wizard. It will ask for so many. Say for example, 9991. It will ask step by step, Chandra. But we need to already we should be very clear such that what will be my input should be very clear on that.
Yeah, this, but no one uses this one, right?
Yeah, generally people because the thing is, the moment it will go to the next, it will ask for give me some value in that next step.
Yeah, like.
Rather than that, people prefer to be easiest way.
Yeah, they prefer in spreadsheets and just.
Yes, Chandra.
Yeah.
Anyhow, you can do the same thing with this also. The same thing, even by copying also, there is a flexibility such that you can change it. It's not the case that it will get copied by default. It's not like that. We copied somewhere 999, but it was not been copied. We didn't save that.
We did not save.
I thought somewhere I copied it as a 9999 and then Chandra things like that.
What is 99? It's a kind of master.
No, Chandra. Just I'm given some name. That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Not just to, it's a basically numeric code. I had given some 9 to distinguish from the existing one. That's nothing else.
Okay.
At that time, I think we didn't save it. That is why it answered. If I come back, say 9999 is, this is what we created, right, Chandra? We copied it from 001, right?
Yeah.
Here you have the still flexibility, you can change it. These are the 3 tabs available: controlling data 1, controlling data 2, and moment type. Moment types, these are the standard moment types. Generally, we won't, there won't be any necessity to adjust any of the standard moment types, Chandra. Only thing is the utmost play is with the control data 1 and control data 2, Chandra. In the case of repetitive manufacturing profile. Is it clear to you, Chandra?
Yeah.
What I am saying?
Yeah.
Okay, coming to the control data 1, what are the parameters that are available in the controlling data 1? It is basically GR and GA and GR posting. You remember, Chandra, when we are posting with the MFDF transaction and say we are posting it MFDF and then confirmation and save, immediately system is displaying GR and GA posted, something like that. Remember that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. You remember, Chandra, in the case of repetitive manufacturing, for the repetitive manufacturing, when we posted GR and GA document was posted with so-and-so. That GR and GA, how it is getting activated of this setting, Chandra?
Because of this market.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
And of course, reporting point backlash, if you want to have a different each level you want to maintain, then you will go for reporting point backlash. Automatic GR posting and the PR reporting point when backlashing is done. Generally 002 is with backlash. This is commonly used with backlash. So, and error correction at the back. Create the cumulative post-processing record. You remember, Chandra, this also we saw that when we are confirming it, we generated one code and we reprocessed the code, all those things, right?
Yeah.
Backlash error has been. So based upon this settings, system will still allow you to post that final confirmation, but you can correct it afterwards as such.
Yeah.
That is error correction of the for backlashing. That means during the backlashing, if any components are missing, you can allow the with shortage components also, provided if you activate this particular setting, Chandra.
Yeah.
And the cost accounting, of course, backlashing the standard cost estimate for a particular material. We saw such that whenever we are posting the material, costing is happening according to the standard cost estimate, right?
Yeah.
Or according to the product cost collector. Either you can set it to the product cost collector, or in turn product cost collector will also pull the data from the cost estimate only, Chandra. So these are the different settings of the control data 1. In the control data 2, how the reduction has to take place. Where is the planned orders against the version assigned to that particular version, and for how many days you can reduction period, and then whether to be for the independent requirements, whenever you are confirming those independent requirements respective to that version, immediately will get reduced. The moment you will confirm the production order, planned order, that independent requirements will get consumed or it will get nullified from the system, Chandra. Based upon this.
When you say version, means production version, right?
Yes, production version. Production version is nothing but our PV. When we will go to MRP 4, Chandra, there is a production version.
Yeah.
Logic, firming logic, of course, generally always you will get a firmed planned orders. In the case of repetitive manufacturing, your planned orders are always firm. Either you can make it as a do not firm or always firm. Generally, you will go for the firmed planned orders. And creating the planned orders and reversing. This also we did. We confirmed one order and we reversed that particular order. We cancelled the confirmation. Chandra, you remember?
Yeah.
That during the reversal or during the read process, immediately system will create additional planned order when reversing. it will create a fresh planned order for the GR amount or for the GR quantity.
Okay.
So these are the two, of course, moment types generally we won't touch it. These are the standard moment types. 261, 260, reversal of 261 is nothing but 262, and 131, 132, 551, 552, 553, 532, sorry. And of course, for the make to order scenario, generally it is for make to stock, but in the case of make to order scenario also, if you want to have a GR for the sales order level, then you can have the 571, 572, 57. Of course, for the individual DRs or collective DRs or something, GI it will be 572 and 571 is the reversal. These are the standard movement types. Of course, this numbering of this standard movement types and as well as the settings for the movement types will be controlled bit of or mainly towards the MM side, Chandra.
Okay.
So controlling data 1, controlling data 2, which are specific for the repetitive manufacturing profile. In this repetitive manufacturing profile, the parameters that we are controlling are how my GA and GR has to take place, how my error correction has to take place, how my post activities has to take place. That means after confirmation, the posting of starts, posting of the accounts are all how it has to be pulled up. In the controlling data 2, how my planned order reduction has to take place, how the logic of the firming has to take place, and how my planned orders when reversing after reversal, whether do I need to create it or do I need to not to create it immediately, that will be decided by this one. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So repetitive manufacturing profile consists of the three settings basically: control data 1, control data 2, and moment type. Moment type better not to touch it as such generally. But in the controlling data 1 and the control data 2, yes, we can have some settings which can be applicable for that particular scenario depending upon the client or the circumstances requirement, Chandra.
Yeah.
And there is one more concept of planning table. Let me, I'll take it up this, I'm sorry, Chandra. I'll take it up this one in the next session.
Yeah.
So just I have to catch up for the office. So in that angle, I need some time for this planning table to explain. So better rather than in hurry, just I need I need to spend some time for this planning table.
Yeah.
Okay, Chandra. Thanks.
Yeah.
Good night to you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.